What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Don McCord YouTube channel. It has been a while since I've posted a video, and I'm sorry about that. Life's been in the way, and you know, YouTube takes a back seat when that happens. But I hope everybody has had a good first half of the year. I think it was March last time I posted a video. But yeah, I'm back working on the trailer. Let me get you flipped around and show you what's going on. So yeah, been working on the trailer a little bit the last couple days finally. As you can see, I've got the whole bottom rail primed, taped off just a little bit. If it gets up here when I paint it, not worried about it because I've got all new white paint for the sides. But the bottom rail is going to be purple. The top rail is going to be purple. The trailer is going to get painted back brand new, shiny, fresh white. My original plan was to paint all the suspension and the landing gear and all this stuff hanging below was going to be purple. The rail was going to be polished, top and bottom, and then I was going to do the trailer back white. But when I got under here and, you know, started doing what I had to do under here, the surface rust was just, it would have been too much to try to make it look good with the purple. It really would have been just a waste of purple paint. But I did get it all farm and implement black, everything. Eventually I'll come back and do all the cross members and stuff. But I did put new brakes on the trailer, all new drums, all the way around, all new brake shoes all the way around. So the rail's gonna be purple, suspension's gonna be black, ladder here, spare tire rack, landing gear's all black. Looks a whole lot better. We'll go up here to the front. The reefer unit is going to be purple, you know, with all the stainless that's still on it. It's all going to be stainless. I'm going to redo that black strip to the around that centerpiece. It's going to be nice and shiny black. I'm hoping that once I paint it purple, that I'll be able to peel those Thermo King decals off, and then it'll be white underneath instead of the black. So that way it's the actual Thermo King writing, original. It's just already masked off for me, hopefully. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, got both sides all primed. Tomorrow I gotta get the truck over here and pull it out of the spot here where I park, and I gotta get up there and mask off the top rail and all the lights up there, get it primed, and hopefully start shooting the purple tomorrow. I gotta mask off all of this and prime the rest of this, sand up there a little bit. I'm not gonna go crazy on it. I mean, it's a 30-year-old trailer going behind a 30-year-old truck. Just really trying to get it looking pretty decent for semi-casual coming up here at the end of August. It is now the end of July, and I'm just now getting started on this. I've got all new DOT tape to go on here. I'm gonna put it right back in the same spot, so I didn't even bother trying to get this 30-year-old DOT tape off because I knew that wasn't going to be a thing. And if I did, there would have been a whole bunch of sticky, nasty stuff to deal with. So, but the trailer's been awesome. I've been using it, working it. Haven't had any issues out of it yet. I did replace all the belts on the reefer unit because my alternator belt was shredded. The tank's gonna get finished polished, and all this, all the bracketry, of course, is gonna get black. But yeah, that's gonna be the white. I'm gonna spray the whole. I've got an airless, Graco airless sprayer from back when I used to paint houses, and I've got 5 gallons of direct to metal paint. Shoot both sides of this thing, get her looking all sparkle buggy, as James Purdy says, So, but yeah, that's where we're at with the trailer. Of course, I'm gonna leave all the stainless on the front and the back. Ain't messing with none of that. Because why would you, right? It's chrome. So, but yeah, I think it's gonna. Originally, I did not want to do the rails purple. I wanted them polished, but man, I got about halfway down this side and it looked okay, but it wasn't to my standard of polishing, so I said, I think I'm gonna do it purple. Take the easy way out. Well, not easy, but easier way out. And and another reason why I didn't do the landing gear and all the suspension underneath the trailer purple, I was thinking about, resale. If I do ever sell this trailer, I don't want, too much stuff that's not easily changeable to be purple, because then somebody would be like, oh, well, it just doesn't look good with my truck because it's everything underneath it's painted purple, which the rail's going to be purple top and bottom, and the reefer unit's going to be purple top and bottom. But hell, I masked off both sides of this bottom rail and around the front, and I sprayed it all in primer in about hour and a half. So, and most guys don't really care. They'll just take rattle cans and they'll rattle can the whole deal anyway, whatever color they want. Of course, this is all of this is gonna be the same purple as purple as the truck is. So it's all gonna be metallic. All metallic purple. And it's gonna have clear coat on it too, so it's gonna be a real paint job on it. It sucks the corrosion is so bad up around here, but it is what it is. I guess I could get some gray silicone before some paintable gray silicone before I paint purple, I guess. And I could silicone it up, kind of smooth it out in there. But, not too worried about it, really. Overall, it's a good looking trailer, and it's going to be a lot better looking soon. But yeah, all the landing gear and stuff was not quite as bad as a lot of these front cross members, but it had enough surface rust on it that it was not gonna be easy or fun. Too bad all the cross members and this thing aren't aluminum like all of these are. They start right there behind the landing gear and then go all the way back right before the front axle. Sure would have made the truck or trailer a whole lot lighter if they would have made them all aluminum, but yeah, I'm sure they had a reason. And on the other side, that curb door, I really don't know what I'm gonna do with that thing. Because that thing is, what I need to do is find somebody who can reskin the door. Because it needs new wood in there, and then all the corrosion ate through the door in quite a few spots. That up there is just missing paint on a rough spot, so that'll get painted when I paint the trailer. But I'm gonna do my best with this thing, and I got a buddy that works at a stainless steel shop. I might get him to get me a piece of polished stainless or a piece of aluminum sheet, and then I'll disassemble the whole door and reskin it, maybe. But for now, I'm just gonna tape off all the hinges and tape off the frame and paint it. Gonna have to get rid of old Ted's Weebles Trucking Incorporated out of Sarasota, Florida. That was the original owner of the trailer. That was his company and his little logo. It sucks because that's all hand painted on there. I hate to paint over it, but it doesn't match my thing. And my other thought was I was gonna polish the whole trailer, but yeah, I'm getting too old for all that ambition. I started in a couple spots up here just to test it out, and yeah, it would look good if I had 6 months. You see, it would look cool being all polished, but if I did it, and I know it would cloud it up a little bit, I would definitely clear coat the whole thing with automotive clear coat and just seal it in there. But there's a little patch of the white that it's gonna be. I think, you know, once all the purple's done, the walls are all painted, chassis all done, reefer units all done, I think it'll be one fine ride. Or a fine wagon to go behind purple, the fine ride. But